Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I am Adiola of Dante Clothing and Bag Services, and this is my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. To our first time viewers, thank you so much, but do not just watch, make sure you subscribe. And to our long time subscribers, I love you so much. But before I continue today, I believe you can see this flyer. If you're in Lagos or you stay in Lagos, if you're in Lagos, allow Saikeja to be precise, or you still very close to the environment, make sure you are here on the May 23rd and 24th of this year. It is this month already, so make sure you are here, as I'll be coming to exhibit. I hope you are glad. Yeah, I'll be coming to exhibit here, just Johnson Jack on date in Noble Park. So make sure you are here anyways. Let's connect, come, let's talk, let's connect, let's enjoy ourselves, let's make the day, very fun. So I'll be expecting you anyways. If you're in Lagos, I will be expecting you. Hope to see you there. So let's continue. Today I'll be making this beautiful bag. It's actually a designer bag. Yeah, it is inspired by a designer bag called Hermes bag. So let's continue anyway. I already have my pattern drafted out already. Like I said, I already have my pattern drafted out already. This video is just showing the what's it called, the workings, I mean the sewing part. Do you understand? This is just showing the sewing part. So let's get started anyways. But before I continue now, now I always greet the odogos, like the VVIP. The first person on the list here is Queen. She said, first time subscribers, your videos are so unique and beginners friendly. Thanks for sharing. Thank you so much, Unique. I appreciate you. Thank you. The second person here said, it is Falone Yano. First time subscribers, thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, people. Thank you, people. I appreciate you all. Next person said, please, I'm interested in class, but I'm in Ghana. How can I be part of the class? The amount and your WhatsApp number. I'll talk extensively on this, later in the video. Don't worry. The next person here said, well done by Morenike Fausat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you people will practice as much as I do as well. Thank you. The next person here said, it's Milaine. She said, absolutely luxury. Definitely now, nothing more, nothing less. Sylvia Brown said it is a beauty. Yeah, definitely it is a beauty. Thank you so much. Always. Thank you. The next person here said amazing by Royal. Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's get started to why we are here. Like I said, I have my pattern drafted out already, and I already fixed in my carry board and okay, yeah, my carry board and my handle. Can you see this is the shape? Can you see how it is looking? My handle is already made handle. I got two for I think 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 in Lagos. Yes, 1.5 in Lagos. It's sold in PS. Do you understand? So I already fixed in my handle, my tag, and my bottom. Do you understand? So the next thing that I fixed already is my lining, my inner lining. Can you see? Oh, this is my inner lining, and I already fixed in my inner zipper as well. So what I just need to do here is to join both together. What I mean by joining both together is to glue both together. So you can sew both together first. No, it is to apply my gum and glue both together. So this piece that I'm holding is the part that is going to carry the what's it called, the lock. Yes, that's the part that is going to carry the lock. So for the width, I make use of 1 inch for that space, and then for the length, it depends on the width of the bag. Do you understand? So just watch me closely. So what I need to do now is to take my blade and cut out the part that I need. And once I'm done cutting that part out, I will insert the piece of leather, on both sides, and then apply my glue and apply my gum to the carry board, and both the carry board, which is the main body, and the lining. Do you understand? So let me just use this period to talk extensively on the tutorial coming up. So I'll be organizing a 2 month detailed and intensive online class, as the oath now, based on popular demand. So is actually going to be for structured bag. Yeah, strictly for structured bag. I beg, not lunch bag or school bag go. Strictly for structured bag. So the cost is 20,000 naira and it is non-negotiable. Please don't near my DM if you don't have 20,000 naira. Please don't near my DM. It is 20,000 naira non-negotiable and it's going to run for 2 months. It's going to start on May 30th to July 30th. Do you understand? Like I said, it's a 2 month. The duration is 2 months, starting from May 30th to June 30th. Do you understand? And the content is in fact the content is even more than the money. Seriously, the content is more than the money. Anyway, in the content we'll be talking extensively on pattern drafting. As it's going to, like I said, it's going to be a detailed and intensive class. Yeah, detailed one. Pattern drafting. How do you come? How do you draft any pattern? How do you come up with the pattern drafting of any bag? Do you understand? How to get a perfect measurement for any bag? I repeat, any bag. Prototyping. How to fix a divider. Different ways of fixing inner and outside pockets. Over 5 different side gussets, over 10 different bag designs. I'm telling you, over 10 different bag designs, over 10 different handles, and lots more. Now, I'm giving you values that is even more than the 20,000 naira. Just imagine you were able to do your own different 10 different bag designs. Like let's imagine you did 10 bags during that 2 period, and you sold it for the least you can sell structure bag is, I mean, the least though ranges from 7,000 naira. The least, depending on the size. Even in fact, the 7,000 naira is even the smallest size. Let's talk about standard one. Start from maybe 12,000, 15,000 upward. Do you understand? So the least you can sell structured bag is 7,000 naira. Now 7,000 naira times 20 bags. Is that times 10 bags? Is that not 70,000 naira? Remove your 20,000 that you used to register for the bag. Remove other other expenses like your running cost and everything. You are still on the win side. Yes, you are still on the winning side. So please just make sure you are in this class. Like, make sure I see you in this class. After this class, you self don't become boss now. Yes, you've become boss on your own. Seriously. So just make sure you're in this class anyways. You, to get registered, pay a non-negotiable fee of 20,000 naira to my account, which is my business account, my Providence Bank, Daddy Clothing and Back Services, 1306030632. I'll repeat again, 1306030632. The name of the bank is Providence Bank and the name is Dandy Clothing and Back Services. And once you are done, you forward your receipt to me on WhatsApp, 070 is 070 You can also DM me on WhatsApp for inquiries and for registration. Do you understand? So someone made a comment talking about her location. She said she's in Ghana. How can she make our own transfer? Do you understand? If you're in Ghana, or let me say if you're outside Nigeria, like if you are outside Nigeria and you are unable to locate my bank, which is Providence Bank, I have Access Bank as well, so you can send me a DM to pay to my Access Bank. I have a dollar account as well. You can request for my dollar account. I'll send it to you. Just come to my DM. And there are other ways you can pay online if you're outside Nigeria. Do you understand? Like, there are other ways. We have word remit. We have which other thing? Please don't use Western Union, because I have someone in, someone in Tanzania. Yeah, like I have someone in Tanzania that registered for this class to pay. She actually makes use of a Western Union. I got to like more than 5 different banks. I was unable to cash out. Do you know why? Because the service has been eradicated by banks. We now have new ways of transferring money from one bank or from one country to another. So what I did was I told her to go and request for a refund and then find another means, probably online payment. Do you understand? So please, if you are outside Nigeria, I will advise you to use any online platform to pay, or request for my dollar accounts, or request for maybe Access Bank or something. Do you understand? So just make sure you're in this class. I have people that are from Ghana that registered for this class. I have people outside Nigeria, and even people in Nigeria. So please, I would love to see you in this class. Try as much as possible to be there. So let's continue anyways. I believe as you are hearing me, as you are using your ear to hear me, you're also watching closely as well. Okay, so this is me fixing the side. If you're very conversant with my video, you won't have a problem. Seriously, if you're very conversant with my video, you won't have a problem. Even with drafting and with sewing as well, you won't have a problem with this kind of side because this is one of my favorite side. Yeah, this is one of my favorite gusset. So let's continue anyways. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to sew the side, and then I'll be repeating the same thing, the same process for the other side as well.
Dandy Clothing and Bag Services. A fashion school offers services in unisex corporate and casual wears, unisex bespoke wears, unisex ready-to-wear bridal package, unisex fashion handbags, souvenir of all kinds, school bags and lunch bags, and training. There is a special discount for 7 core members who can get registered at our accredited site center with 25% off your training fee. Our address is at Kinta White House, Ashiru, adjacent Farmers Market, Abeokuta, Ogun State. For more inquiries, you can call and WhatsApp us on 070 413 07375 070 413 07375. You can also reach out to us on social media platforms like YouTube at Dandy Fashion School, on Facebook at Dandy Clothing and Bag Services, on IG at Dandy Fashion School, and also on TikTok at Dandy Fashion School.
Ìwọ gan lè darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn tó já tán. Àwọn tó já tán ló ń bu aṣọ gidi sọ́rùn. Àwọn tó já tán ló ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dandy Clothing and Bag Services. Owó péréte ni wọ́n ná. Wọ́n sì ń yọ bí ọjọ́ tàn bí òrùn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá dọ́dọ̀ Dandy, àwọn aṣọ àti báàgì àsìkò lẹ́ máa bá ń bẹ̀. Ó wà lóríṣiríṣi lóníranran. Fún tọkùnrin tóbìnrin tó mọ rírì ìmúra gidi. Ìrínisíkú ní ìsọnilọ́jọ̀ bá a ṣe ń rìn sí lakú ṣe ń kó ni. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ń fẹ́ corporate wears tọkùnrin àbí tóbìnrin. Unisex bespoke wears, unisex ready to wear, bridal package, unisex fashion handbags, souvenir lóríṣiríṣi, school bags and lunch bags. Àyè tún wà láti wá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa bá a ṣe ń ṣe. Lọ́wọ́ yìí ìdíyelé pàtàkì wà fún àwọn agùnbánirọ̀ tí ń sìnrú ìlú lọ́wọ́. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti forúkọ sílẹ̀ ní Seed Center wa, ìdá mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n 25% máa kúrò nínú training fee yín. A wà ní Kenta White House, Ashero, adjacent Farmers Market, Abeokuta. Lórí YouTube, Dandy Fashion School, Facebook, Dandy Clothing and Bag Services, Instagram, Dandy Fashion School, TikTok, Dandy Fashion School. Ẹ pè tàbí kẹ́ WhatsApp 070 41 30 73 75 070 41 30 73 75. Dandy Clothing and Bag Services rán wa létí pé ìrínisí ni ìsọnilọ́jọ̀.
Dandy Clothing and Bag Services. A fashion school offers services in unisex corporate and casual wears, unisex bespoke wears, unisex ready-to-wear bridal package, unisex fashion handbags, souvenir of all kinds, school bags and lunch bags, and training. There is a special discount for 7 core members who can get registered at our accredited site center with 25% off your training fee. Our address is at Kinta White House, Ashiru, adjacent Farmers Market, Abeokuta, Ogun State. For more inquiries, you can call and WhatsApp us on 070 413 07375 070 413 07375. You can also reach out to us on social media platforms like YouTube at Dandy Fashion School, on Facebook at Dandy Clothing and Bag Services, on IG at Dandy Fashion School, and also on TikTok at Dandy Fashion School.
Now I'm done fixing the side and we are gradually coming to an end. Yeah, we are gradually coming to an end. So the next thing to do now is to fixing my my bag lock. So just watch closely the way I'm fixing the bad lock. It's not something that is very hard, it is not something that is too hard to fix. So just watch closely. Now I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see how lovely the bag is looking? Can you see? I've come to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to attach your back strap, your long back strap. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this far. If you're a first time viewers, please don't just watch, make sure you subscribe. And if you're a long time viewers, like you've been viewing but you've not yet subscribed, please try as much as possible to subscribe. I love you all so much. Thank you always for always coming to my channel. I love you. Bye.